Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the car phone holder that is currently available in our stores. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in one of these. These are just a basic car holder for your phone, and you can use it with a hands-free device instead of driving and having your phone in your hand, which is illegal. Before we continue with the unboxing, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So having a quick look into the case, not much information here to be shared, so let's go ahead with the unboxing. Let's open up the box. Inside the box we've got the car phone holder, we've got the brackets and the adjustment devices. We've also got a instruction manual that comes in Chinese as well as in English. So let's remove the car phone holder. So the car phone holder looks as such. It's very nice. It's got a nice feeling and touch. So having a quick look into it, so basically it's made out of plastic, it's not metal, but at the front here we've got this nice shiny finish, and on the sides we've got this non-slippery pads as well as at the bottom here. So let's assemble this up. So to assemble it, it's very simple as well. So you've got this connector over here that you are going to just add it without screwing it too much, and then we're going to add the air vent bracket over here. So we need to apply a bit of force here, and you heard that click. And once you are ready to adjust it, all you need to do now is tighten this up here, such. Okay, once it's tightened up, this won't move, and then you can insert this into your air vent. To insert it, just basically press over here so it opens the air vent teeth, and insert it into your air vent, and there you go. And for demo purposes, if you have a device, you just put your device here on top and it will automatically adjust according to your device, so it's safe, it won't fall when you are driving. And this is it for this unboxing video. If you are interested in one of these, please do check the link in the description, and if you did enjoy our video, please do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.